Catch your daddy, you can get down the stairs. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Hey, go home. Oh, it's a good boy. That's hard work. How old are you? Not even 15 months yet? Go downstairs. Oh, keep going. Oh, and you're holding something.
Hey, little guy. You did it. Ah! All right, let's go back up. What?
Uh-oh. Hi. You come back up? Ah. With something in your hand, you bring that up to mommy?
Yeah, bring it up to mommy. That's gotta go upstairs anyway.
You bring it up, or are you just gonna leave it there? I know you tend to just leave stuff on the stairs. Probably would be cuter to get him from up here. His little face. You're so excited. Yes. Yay!
Good work.